All right, we're back here for another home tour. Today, we're in my hometown of Southwick, Massachusetts at 427 College Highway. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Let's go inside and meet with Steph from Coldwell Banker and have her show us around. Hey, Steph, we're here!
Hey! Hi!
All right, why don't you show us around?
All right, let's go take a look. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Welcome home to this awesome colonial home in Southwick, Massachusetts. It offers 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, over 2,000 square feet of living space. The roof is newer siding, gutters, and it just has a updated septic as well. I love all the spaces throughout. It's really perfect for entertaining, how the kitchen flows to the dining area, into the living room, and into the awesome family room with pellet stove. The hardwood floors lead you throughout this house. First floor master is super convenient, has double closets, flows right into the bathroom.
Oh wow, this bathroom's huge.
Yeah, and it connects to the master bedroom as well. Upstairs offers 3 great sized bedrooms and another full bath, so it's a really great floor plan. It's a total tranquil country setting. You're kind of tucked away right here. It's really awesome, beautiful, spacious land. This nook over here is the perfect spot for a homework area, a home office, and it leads out to the backyard.
Oh, this is a really nice secluded area back here on the porch with the cafe lights. Absolutely love it.
I am absolutely in love with the wraparound porch and how it leads to the 3-season screened-in room. There's a 1-car attached garage plus this awesome barn, which is awesome for our enthusiasts or hobbyists.
This is a great house. If you want a private showing, reach out to Steph. Here's her information on the screen. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.